front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening devices settings and scrolling to hitting security and privacy. Then tap on device unlock. Tap on fingerprint and face unlock section and enter your screen lock. Now tap on face unlock here. Tap on I agree at the bottom right corner. Tap on start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!